Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best gaming handbrake. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Handbrake Sim Racing. Specifications: brand name, Sim Rui 2. Model number, RT37. Material, stainless steel. Trade name, Handbrake Sim. Handbrake sensor type, NA151 MAVIN pressure sensor. NA151 MAVIN, 200 kg. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 on our list is USB Handbrake PS4, PS5. Specifications: brand name, Speed Racing. Model number, HB 1023. Material, aluminum plus stainless steel. Origin, mainland China. Color, red, black, blue. Number 3 on our list is PXN HB S Handbrake. Specifications: brand name, PXN. Model number, PXN HB S. Console, system, Windows 11, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8. Compatible platforms, PC. With pedal set, no. Maximum rotation angle, 180 degrees. Shift mode, gear shifter. Connection, wired. Force feedback, no. Number 2 on our list is Sim Rui 2 Sim Racing Gaming Handbrake. Specifications: brand name, Sim Rui 2. Model number, RT38 Red. Material, stainless steel. Trade name, Handbrake Sim. Handbrake sensor type, NA151 MAVIN pressure sensor. NA151 MAVIN, 200 kg. Origin, mainland China. Number 1 on our list is USB Handbrake Sim for PC. Specifications: material, stainless steel. Color, silver. Item weight, 1.9 kilograms. Item height, 13 centimeters. Item width, 24 centimeters. Item length, 37 centimeters. Origin, mainland China. Item type, handbrakes.